Hunan Iron Rubik Cube Machinery Co. Limited, powering the world with the strength of Chinese heavy industry. In this era of global infrastructure boom, every machine is more than steel, it is a force of transformation. Since 2023, Hunan Iron Rubik Machinery has grown into a trusted partner for contractors across more than 10 countries. We specialize in exporting top quality, used construction machinery, delivering performance that stands the test of time, from rotary drilling rigs to hydraulic grabs, from 200-ton cranes to smart concrete pump trucks. We select only machines with less than 5 years of service life, each going through our strict 3-step certification. Verified original production records, comprehensive, multi-point inspections, 50-hour full load performance testing. What you receive is not just equipment, it is the Iron Rubik guarantee. At our 10-acre remanufacturing facility, 5 senior engineers lead a team that breathes new life into every machine. German standard hydraulic upgrades, next-gen Japanese control systems, tailored attachments for specific job demands. Each unit is refined to outperform its original design. We've e-powered over 2,000 machines across China's most iconic infrastructure projects, from Beijing-Shanghai high-speed rail to the heights of the Tibetan Plateau, from the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge to the smart foundations of Xiong and New Area. Our clients include industry giants like China Railway, China Communications Construction, and China State Construction Engineering, with 100% satisfaction from over 1,000 partners. Our reputation is built on reliability and results. When you choose Iron Rubik, you gain more than a machine. You gain 7/24 global response service, 5-year warranty on core components, lifetime technical support. We don't just provide machines, we deliver steel-backed trust for your biggest ambitions. Hunan Iron Rubik Cube Machinery Co. Limited, integrity in steel, built for the future, ready for the world. Let's build greatness together.